Hi, my name is Todd Long with Leadership Innovations, and welcome to my Leading Virtual series. This is video number 4. The first video was focused on showing value. The second video was on creating healthy boundaries. The third video is on staying focused, and today's video is on collaborative decision making, one of my favorite topics. We're talking about collaborative decision making in a virtual world. And I'm guessing each of you has been in a meeting online where it just seems like it isn't going well. Because there's a problem, the group is unproductive, feels like people aren't really focused, and then it seems like maybe the loudest voice wins. And no one's really satisfied, and we aren't truly collaborating and finding the right answers together. So let's find the right answers together, and let me give you some solutions to this problem. So first of all, start strong. Number 2, follow the process. And then number 3, capture ideas. So we're going to focus on those 3 different areas. So let's start, first of all, with start strong. Here's 2 things to keep in mind when we're starting strong. First of all, take some time to build relationships with the people in the virtual environment. Ask a quick opening question that allows people to go around, introduce themselves, share something about themselves, open up a little bit. It pays off to take the time to do that. Number 2, set expectations about the time together. Encourage people. We are going to stay focused. We're going to turn off all our outside distractions, all our devices while we have this meeting. I want everyone to share freely, but hold loosely to your ideas. And then encourage people. There may be some tension in our conversation, and that's completely okay. We're going to use that tension to build off of and create great ideas. So you want to establish trust, and you want to establish some expectations in the room, and that's a strong start when you're thinking about collaborating online. Number 2, follow the process. Now, this process works whether you're online or in the real world. It's the collaboration funnel. Well, I found this, if you explain this funnel to people before you start or as you're going through the process, it's really helpful in the collaboration interaction. It starts off with the explore stage, where we're inviting open thinking and sharing freely and suspending any judgments. And then after you go through that explore stage, then you can move down into the assess stage. And this is where you get to evaluate ideas and categorize and classify things and prioritize the data and the information that's been shared. And then finally, you get down to that point of commitment. What are the things we are agreed upon? What are the goals we're going to set? What's our action plans? So if you follow this process, I found it works brilliantly in terms of helping to collaborate. Again, you can use the same process when you're in the online virtual world. Number 3, finally, we're going to talk about capturing ideas. And let me take you to one of my favorite tools for capturing ideas. It's called Coggle. It's spelled C-O-G-G-L-E. So we're focused on capturing ideas, and the tool that I like to use is called Coggle. It's a mind mapping tool that allows you to capture ideas that the group is sharing in your video conferencing environment. So what you do is you'd share your screen, and then you would be able to capture ideas through this. So it would start off in the middle. Here's your main topic. You can create subpoints off of this, or ideas that are shared. So let's say this is idea 1, and then idea 2, and then so forth as you continue to build ideas off of this. Now what's nice about this too is you can grab your ideas and move them around as well. You can create sub points to this. So subpoint 1, subpoint number 2. And let's say you want to move a subpoint from one place to another. You can just right click on it. You can drag it, transplant it over here, and then move it around as needed. What's nice about this as well is you can change the size really simply of your text. And you can also change the color by right-clicking, and then you can change the color of your lines as needed as well. Let me try that again. Let me change the color here to this red color. Yep, there you go. So there's a simple tool that you can use to capture ideas. You can also just simply open up a Word document and share it and capture ideas, or a PowerPoint document as well. So the main point here is to capture ideas in that virtual environment. So let's review the 3 big ideas to make collaborative problem solving go really well in a virtual environment. So number 1 is start strong by building some relationships in the room and establishing really good expectations. Number 2, follow the process by using the collaboration funnel. And then finally, number 3 is capture ideas. So I want you to pause and reflect for a few minutes and find ways to apply this to your life and into your world. Thank you for watching this video on Leading Virtually, focused on collaborative problem solving. It's my desire that you become a confident, mindful leader in every aspect of your life. So please take this, use it, apply it in your world. Have a wonderful day.